Hi, I'm Miss Hall, and in this lesson we're going to look at modulus and random numbers. We begin with the pseudocode of how modulus and random numbers look on the AP Computer Science Principles exam. So for modulus, it looks like A mod B. For most of you, I don't expect you to have seen the mathematical operation modulus before. So we'll read this definition. So this evaluates values to the remainder when A is divided by B. Assume that A and B are positive integers. So for example, 15 mod 5, or 17 mod 5. So you have 17, you divide it by 5. Say it goes in 3 times, and the remainder is 2. So 17 mod 5 evaluates to 2, the remainder. Let's do a couple more. Let's do, how about 3 mod 2. So when you take 3 and divide it by 2, you get a remainder of 1. So 3 mod 2 is really equal to 1. We're going to do plenty more of this when we get to the delta math skill. Now random number, we have in JavaScript, I say random number because in JavaScript it's random number, the command, and then you put the 2 parameters in. So this evaluates to a random number from A to B, including A and B. For example, random 1, 3 could evaluate to 1, 2, or 3. Okay, consider the following code and then determine which of the 2 given statements are true, if any. Those 2 statements are the number 6 could possibly be displayed, the number 4 could possibly be displayed. Okay, so looking at this code, line 1, we have a variable x that we set to a random number between 5 and 9, including 5 and 9. So let's start making notes. So x could be, now I'm going to make it like a table. X could be 5, could be 6, 7, 8, or 9. And we have an if-else statement. So if x mod 2 equals to 0, then do something else, do line 8. So let's have a test here. X mod 2. We want to know, does that equal 0? So if we take 5 mod 2. So we take 5 divided by 2, and that goes in 2 times to get 4 with a remainder of 1. So this equals 1, which is not 0. We have 6 mod 2. So 6 divided by 2 goes in 3 times with no remainder. So that is true. That is 0. 7 mod 2. 7 mod 2 goes in 3 times 7 divided by 2, 2, 6, with a remainder of 1. 8 mod 2. 8 divided by 2 goes in 4 times with no remainder, that's 0, so that is 0. And 9 mod 2. 9 divided by 2 goes in 4 times with a remainder of 1. So let's check. So if it did equal 0, we do line 4. So if it equaled 0, we take x minus 2. So x becomes, let's see, 6 minus 2. So x becomes 4. That's the new x value. And here it's 0, so we have 8 minus 2, which is 6. Else, x gets x plus 1. So we have 5 plus 1 equals 6. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Display x. So these are the final x values. Let's go back. So number 1, the number 6 could possibly be displayed. Yes, this is true. Statement 2, the number 4 could possibly be displayed. Yes, this is true. So both of them are true. Both statements are true. So we're going to choose this answer.